Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking this ordinary phone charger and giving it a completely new, surprising purpose. I'm carefully disassembling this phone charger using a utility knife to separate the casing. We need to be gentle here to avoid damaging the internal components. Once the casing is open, I'll use a pair of pliers to carefully extract the circuit board. The goal is to isolate the electronic brain of the charger, as this is what we'll be repurposing today. Next, I'm taking a couple of electrical wires, one red and one blue. I'll strip a small section of insulation from each end. This exposes the copper wire, which is crucial for making good electrical connections later on. Now, to prepare these wires for a more secure connection, I'm tinning them with solder using my soldering iron. This process ensures the strands are tightly bound and creates a much stronger, more reliable electrical contact point. It's a small step that makes a big difference in the quality of your circuit. With the wires prepared, I'm now soldering them directly onto specific points on the charger circuit board. This is where we tap into the power output of the charger. I need to be precise here to ensure the connections are solid and won't easily come loose. The red wire goes to the positive terminal, and the blue to the negative. I'm using an electric drill to carefully make small holes in the charging port cover. These holes will allow the wires to exit the casing neatly and prevent them from being pinched or damaged when we reassemble everything. With the holes drilled, I'm carefully threading the soldered wires through the casing and then placing the circuit board back into its original position. Then, I'll snap the charger's casing back together. We want a snug fit to keep everything protected and secure, with the wires now neatly extending from the side. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm taking two AA batteries and using a piece of sandpaper to gently rough up the ends, specifically the negative terminal. This step is important because it removes any residue or oxidation, which significantly improves the electrical contact when we connect our wires. Now, I'm securing one of the prepared batteries to a binder clip. This clip will act as a stable holder and also provide a good contact point. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll then solder the blue wire to the negative terminal of this battery, creating a solid connection for our circuit. I'm doing the same with the second battery, attaching it to another binder clip and soldering the red wire to its negative terminal. To keep the battery pack and charger stable, I'm wrapping the wires around the battery and securing it with hot glue, then firmly attaching the battery to the charger housing. This increases mechanical stability and prevents any short circuits, which is crucial for the safety and functionality of the circuit. I'll secure the coils with a bit more hot glue. I'm carefully wrapping the remaining red wire around one battery and the blue wire around the other. These coils are not just for aesthetics. They form the basis of our improvised antenna, enhancing its ability to pick up signals. Moving on to the receiving end, I'm taking a standard wall socket, which I've mounted on a small block of wood for stability. I'll use a screwdriver to carefully remove the cover. I've got a long white coaxial cable here, which will carry the signal to our television. I'm using a utility knife to carefully strip the outer insulation, exposing the braided shield and the inner conductor. Proper stripping is vital to ensure a clean signal and effective connection. I'm securing the two wires with electrical tape. This ensures a firm and well-insulated connection. I'm connecting the prepared end of the coaxial cable to the internal contacts of the wall socket, tightening the screws with my screwdriver. This integrates our antenna cable directly into a familiar and sturdy interface. Once connected, I'll reattach the wall socket cover, making sure it's secure. I will repeat the process for the other end of the coaxial cable, attaching another small metal F connector. This will be the plug that connects to our TV. Ensuring both ends are properly connected is essential for reliable signal transmission. To finalize the cable, I'm wrapping the newly attached connector with electrical tape. This step provides extra insulation and reinforces the connection, protecting it from wear and tear. I'm connecting our homemade charger battery unit by plugging its prongs into the modified wall socket. As you can see, before connecting our antenna, the television displayed no signal. I'll take the prepared coaxial cable and firmly attach it to the antenna input on my television. And just like that, we have a signal. The TV is now displaying channels. Perfectly clear. This simple device, made from repurposed materials, is effectively picking up broadcast signals without any complicated external antenna. It's truly amazing what you can achieve with a bit of ingenuity. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. It's consistently working across various channels. Our incredible, multifunctional TV signal booster, made from simple, repurposed materials. Watch as I effortlessly flip through different channels using the remote control. Each channel comes through crisp and clear, demonstrating the effectiveness of our homemade antenna. If you enjoyed this transformation and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.